What you're saying, Jacob, is this going to put lead in your pencil?
Absolutely.
Hearing a lot of grunting and just
Today, we're going to do a specialty smash burger. This kind of has origins in the Erie, Pennsylvania area, and they do something called a Greek burger, or a Greeker, is what my grandfather used to call it. And essentially just a little small smash patty, and we're also going to make a Coney sauce that goes with it. No beans or anything, heavy on the spices, and we're going to lay it right on top of that burger, and it's going to be drippy and awesome.
so good. Can't wait.
All right, so I think what we're going to do first, we're going to get started with the Coney sauce because we want that to simmer a little bit.
Coney. So where they come up with the name Coney?
So apparently New York, right? Coney Island.
Yeah.
You know, I believe Greek immigrants.
Yeah, okay.
They came over to the area and brought this sauce. So you don't want to confuse this with a typical chili that you would have down in like Texas or whatever. There's no beans or anything like that. Strictly ground beef, some water to break it down, and like I said, a bunch of spices.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna grab about a pound of meat here. We're gonna add that to our pot right here. And then we're gonna grab our spices. We got some dehydrated onion. A good amount of that. What, 4 tablespoons or so. Throw that in there. A little bit of salt. Some black pepper. All right, so yeah, this is some granulated garlic. Now the heat.
Okay, yeah. Yep.
This is where you want the heat. Let's just take that right open. Throw the cayenne pepper in there. We're gonna do, let's do about 1.5 tablespoons in there. Paprika. Now this you want a lot of, so I'm gonna do like 6 tablespoons of that. I think every chili needs a little cumin, right?
Yep, there you go.
So I'm gonna do about 1 tablespoon or 2 of that in there. Some ancho chili powder, because we don't have enough heat. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. We're gonna throw some of our SPG, only the finest, right?
All right.
Just give it a little more salt in there. Get some red pepper flake. We'll do just a pinch of clove. Now a little goes a long way with this, so just a little pinch.
Yeah.
And then same thing with cinnamon. Also, just a pinch.
This is classy pit use.
Wow.
Just kind of want to work this in a little bit. Your spices into the meat. All right, let's take this to our flat top. Get that heated up. And you're gonna want to let it heat a little bit. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 2 cups of water to this.
Okay.
And then we're gonna let it simmer.
Beautiful. We've made a little recipe change. We're thinking, you know what? Who cares about water?
Put a little beer in.
Put some beer. We're gonna put some beer in there.
More flavor.
That's a 12-ounce beer.
You want the whole can?
Yeah, we're gonna have to do the whole can. Yeah, technically you need 16 ounces.
Here you go.
So we're gonna do the whole thing.
All right, here we go. Ready?
All right, pop it in. So official Pit Boy water here.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Meat and beer.
Can't beat that, right?
So you're just gonna let that simmer
yeah,
a
what
while?
that's gonna do is gonna break down the meat. It's gonna make it nice and crumbly.
Okay. All right.
I'll get you some more.
I'll get you another can. You want another can?
Yeah, sure. I'll pour a little bit in there and then I'll drink the rest.
All right. Cheers.
That's gonna be outrageous.
Yeah, it is.
No tomato sauce in this.
It's gonna be magic.
Yeah.
A lot of
So what
people.
you're saying, Jacob, is this going to put lead in your pencil?
Absolutely. It's got me my 3.
Lead in the pencil. Lead in the pencil.
Like a magic marker.
Looks so good and he's singing already.
Seriously. All right.
That's going on a burger.
Gotta get that to simmer up.
All right. I think we're gonna put a little bit more in there.
Ooh. No, about there.
Tell me one.
Right there.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
So next we're just gonna make our balls. You don't want to pack them too tight like a meatball because
Don't worry about it.
you want to get the crust on them.
Thickening it up already.
Starting to thicken up. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. So
Okay.
this is the texture you're looking for with your Coney sauce.
Oh, there we go. Perfect.
Right? Oh,
Oh wow.
spices and whatnot.
Just wanna eat it.
It's just
Oh,
The
you can
smell's
smell it.
coming
It's
off of this
crazy.
is crazy.
Smell it.
All right.
Incredible blend.
Smells like a festival or something.
Oh yeah, totally.
Let's come in here with these smash balls.
Okay.
Throw those down. There you go.
All right.
All right.
Okay. Now we can do some smashing.
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 We do. Yeah, fancy smasher here.
Yeah, we love our fancy smasher.
We got jitter coming in here with the
Alright.
seasoning.
All right.
Trademark SPG all the way.
Yep.
Sprinkle, sprinkle. Oh, that was great. Woo. This is the secret right here. Yep. The process. American. I love it. Yep. Yeah. There you go. So look at that. Got them all unwrapped first. Yep.
All about teamwork at the pay, man.
Peeling cheese all the way, you know. And nothing melts like, oh yeah, this processed American, really, when it comes down to it. Let's turn that down over there.
So those are Greek brioche buns?
That's right. The finest Greek.
That's right. We got them right. At the local store here in town.
All right. Oh yeah. Oh my God.
Here's the bottom.
Perfect. Let's make another bottom in there. See, that's the top.
All right.
See, we got what, one left? So this is what we're gonna have to do here. We're just gonna have to double one of these up.
Oh yeah.
That's terrible.
That's called
Yeah,
problem
sorry
solving.
guys, you know. Gotta get, oh, nope.
Oh, we got
Do
it.
another one.
Oh, you got it.
You gotta,
Whole setup right here.
yep, and we just got, all right, that's fine. So then we're gonna
Yeah.
triple this one up, double that one up, I mean. That over here, that here.
Double Coney smash.
All right.
This is gonna be so good.
And
Oh
Coney
boy.
sauce.
Oh man.
All right. Laundry duty tonight. This is crazy.
Oh, geez.
Let's make sure we're getting messy here.
Yeah, we all did the disclaimers that this is going
That's
to be
it.
messy.
You guys signed the
You just
waivers when you
re-signed it. Our
came
shirts
here,
are gonna
just
get, you
saying.
know.
Gonna have to hit the dry cleaner, sorry. Let's give him a little
Tiny.
top. Boom.
Yep, there we go.
Yeah, we're done there.
This is called, oh yeah, that's what I'm saying.
This is a long line. Come on.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, that's right.
We got some pickled onions here. We got some pickles. Whoa. You kidding me?
Another masterpiece, Joseph Q.
Man.
Oh, yeah.
Hearing a lot of grunting, grunting, and just and everything. Yeah, there's
Amazing. Incredible.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's the first time I've had great flavor, great taste. Everything's there. I got the little heat bite on
Right.
the side of my tongue. That's about it. Perfectly.
Just enough.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So simple. No ketchup. No mustard.
Oh man.
Just meat on meat.
Yeah, if you serve this up at the family picnic or the boys getting together or whatever like this,
Tell me about.
you run out real quick.
Yeah, let's load them.
So this is the part where the pit masters are eating in front of you. You know all about that. So we're not waiting for you. You're gonna have to make this yourself. But the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out
BarbecuePitBoys.com.
Yeah.
All right, that's an award winner.